thought I'd do another video. I don't see too many of these in videos aside from advertisements for them. It's a Hoover Hushtone with the IntelliBelt. I can't remember the model number right offhand. It reminds me a lot of like a Hoover wind tunnel, but with some differences to it. It does not use the standard Y bag. It instead uses the CU2 bags, which is off to the side a little bit. And then it has this holder, pre-motor filter at the bottom of the case. And then we have a HEPA filter on the side. It seems to be fairly well sealed, as well as a charcoal filter. A little hard to do that one-handed. Nice metallic plate on the front. A brush roll fairly similar to the wind tunnel. And then the IntelliBelt is kind of like a Mylar belt, a non-stretch belt. And then on the back here, we have a 50-foot cord, which for domestic cleaning, like I use it's a little bit annoying. We have our crevice tool, and then we have this annoying little brush. It's not good for dusting, it's not good for upholstery, it's just kind of a pain. And then kind of a little bit SIBO-like, except for this not going into the wand. You can disconnect this and put your tools onto here, and with these tools they actually fit inside the they fit inside the couplings. Oops. And this just pulls out and away from this clip. It's a rather nice machine. We have rubberized wheels too. It's a nice little touch. And if I can get in the model plate there. But the other thing I don't really care for, beyond the lack of the upholstery tool and the super long cord, is the way they have the hose set up here. You have to remove like the entire cord to be able to effectively use the hose. Alright, so we'll do a little bit of cleaning with it, and I forgot to mention that we have a little suction gauge over here. It just turns red whenever it kind of clogs up, and then we have the 2-speed switch. We'll start off in the low speed mode. It's not overly loud. Now we'll switch over into the boost mode, as they call it. Still, not too loud. One of the things I do like about it is it does do that flow as well for an upright without a brush roll control. And now we'll do a little bit of hose cleaning. Just because I see my couches could use the work. So we'll start off with this tool, despite my dislike of it. And I guess the other thing that kind of annoys me is the when it's placed in the upright position, it doesn't lift doesn't lift the brush roll too far off the carpet, so it's still in contact with it. So generally, when I'm using it for tools, I like to lean it up against whatever I'm cleaning so the brush roll is clear from the floor. So we use boost mode. And then I also got myself a turbo tool, simply because I didn't like this. And there we have a brief overview of this Hoover Hushtone. It really is a nice vacuum. It seems sturdy, and really, for the price, I don't think you're going to find too many more features in a commercial vacuum. Just my 2 cents on it, though.